Welcome to the deep dive. We take your source material, cut through the noise, and get straight to what matters. Today, we're tackling a high-tech skincare product that's been making waves. Soluretinol serum. We've got a review transcript here promising smoother, uh, plumper skin with some pretty advanced ingredients.
Exactly. And our mission really is to quickly break down this review. We want to separate the genuinely innovative stuff from, well, the marketing hype. And yeah, figure out the real-world performance, the limitations. This is for you if you're kind of wondering, is this high-tech serum worth trying? Worth the money and the risk?
Okay, let's get into it. What strikes me first from the source isn't just the ingredients, but the product itself.
Yeah.
It's different. It starts as a liquid, apparently, but then turns into a gel right when you apply it. That's not like your standard creams.
No, not at all. And that unique texture, it's closely tied to what's inside. If you look at the active ingredients listed, you've got hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and importantly, what they describe as a gentler form of retinol.
A gentler form. So probably like a retinol derivative, something like retinol palmitate, maybe, designed to be less irritating.
Precisely. Less potential for that redness and peeling pure retinol can sometimes cause. And often, some versions might even add things like CBD, for extra soothing. Hemp extract is mentioned here, too.
Gotcha. But the real high-tech claim seems to be about how these ingredients work. The source talks about tiny carriers. Supposedly, they help everything penetrate deeper.
That's the core concept they're selling. Tiny carriers usually imply some kind of encapsulation technology. Think liposomes or maybe nanoparticles. The idea is they protect the active ingredients and theoretically help them get past the skin's surface layer more effectively.
And the gel texture helps with that.
That seems to be the claim, yeah. That the gel assists absorption. The overall goal they state is pretty clear. Serious hydration plus a boost against wrinkles.
Okay, so the million-dollar question, does it actually deliver on that? What did the review find?
Well, there is an upside mentioned. Some people do seem to notice their skin feels softer and maybe a little bit plumper, even after just a few days. So you get that sort of temporary smoothing, that hydration hit.
That sounds pretty good, actually. Quick results are always appealing.
They are, but here come the caveats, the aha moment, if you will. First, that instant plumping effect.
Yeah.
It's described as subtle, not dramatic.
Okay, subtle.
And more significantly, there's apparently a lack of independent studies verifying those deep absorption claims. The whole tiny carrier tech, not independently proven effective here.
So you're paying for the idea of advanced tech, not necessarily confirmed results from it.
Exactly. And the source is clear. This is not a guaranteed fix for all wrinkles. Expectations need to be managed.
And there were other issues too, right? Like practical problems.
Yeah, this is kind of surprising for a premium product. The review mentions the pump mechanism can actually malfunction, break, basically. And sometimes the serum apparently leaves a thin white layer on the skin after it dries.
A white layer? That doesn't sound ideal, especially if you're putting makeup over it.
Definitely not. It kind of undermines that high-end positioning, doesn't it? So, given these mixed results, subtle effects, unverified tech, potential packaging fails. What's the advice if someone still wants to try it?
Right. Well, the guidance seems clear. Caution. First off, start slow. Patch test. Maybe use it only a few times a week initially. Monitor for any irritation, especially if you're new to any form of retinol.
Absolutely crucial. And the other non-negotiable, sunscreen, every single day. Using any retinoid makes your skin more sun-sensitive, so SPF is a must.
And the source also advises keeping the rest of your routine simple.
Yeah, don't go layering it with tons of other active ingredients like strong acids or other serums, especially when you're just starting out. Avoid overloading your skin.
Makes sense. Give the product a chance to work or, well, show if it causes irritation on its own.
So wrapping it up, Soluretinol seems like an interesting product if you like experimenting with new textures and tech. It might offer some subtle, temporary benefits. But keep those expectations realistic because of the mixed feedback and those unverified deep absorption claims. The price reflects potential more than proven performance right now.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you. When you're looking at these new premium high-tech products, should your main focus be on trying to verify those complex delivery system claims, digging for independent studies, or is it more practical to just focus on the immediate, observable results you see in the first few days, however subtle they might be? Where do you place your bet? Something to think about. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.